In this video, we are going to revise Narmada Valley projects and related river valley projects in Madhya Pradesh. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for MP Exam YouTube channel. So let's begin. River Valley projects. First is Narmada Valley projects. Purpose: a multi-purpose reverse valley project on Narmada rivers aimed at irrigations, hydropower generation, and drinking water supply. Significance: known as lifeline of Madhya Pradesh due to its extensive irrigation and power generation potential. Scope: irrigation plan to irrigate approximately 28 lakh hectare of land in Madhya Pradesh. Hydropower targeted to produce nearly 3000 megawatt of electricity. Infrastructure includes 29 large dams, 135 medium dams, and 3000 small dams. Institutional framework: Narmada Valley Development Department established in 1985 to focus on Narmada Valley development. Initially under the Water Resource Department, headquartered in Bhopal, Narmada Valley Development Authority (NVDA) formed in the year 1985 under Narmada Valley Development Department. Objective: to achieve time-bound development goals for Narmada Valley, headquarter Bhopal. Narmada Control Authority (NCA) established on 20th December 1980 under Narmada Water Dispute Tribunal (NWDT), a corporate body with representative from Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Headquartered Indore. Role: oversee implementation of NWDT decisions and coordinate interstate activities. Narmada Water Dispute Tribunal, constituted on 6 October 1969 under the Interstate Water Dispute Act 1956, chaired by Justice V. Ramaswamy, delivered its final decisions in 1979 on water allocation among 4 states. Water allocations in million acre feet (MAF). Madhya Pradesh 18.25 MAF, Gujarat 9.00 MAF, Rajasthan 0.50 MAF, Maharashtra 0.25 MAF. Madhya Pradesh government report mentions NWDT formation in 1968. Discrepancy note: major projects on Narmada and its tributaries. Indira Sagar projects. Location: Punasa, Khandwa district on Narmada rivers. Foundation led by Indira Gandhi on 23rd October 1984. Purpose: irrigation, hydropower, and drinking water supply. Irrigation benefits Khandwa, Khargone, and Barwani district. Reservoirs: one of India's largest, with a storage capacity 12.22 billion cubic meters. Hydropower: 1000 megawatt, 8 unit of 125 megawatt each. Operational since 2005. Dam specification: length nearly 654 meter, height nearly 92 meter. Tourism: Hanumantia Island developed as a tourism hub, hosting the annual Jal Mahotsav. Omkareshwar project. Location: Mandhata village, Khandwa district on Narmada river. Foundation led by Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 2003. Purpose: irrigation and hydropower. Irrigation covers nearly 1.47 lakh hectares in Khandwa, Khargone, and Dhar district. Hydropower: 520 megawatt air unit. Operational since November 2007. Unique feature: Madhya Pradesh first floating solar plant, 600 megawatt capacity. Under development. As per recent report, installation ongoing as of 2025. Maheshwar project. Location: Maheshwar, Khargone district on the Narmada river. Purpose: hydropower generation using water release from Omkareshwar project. Hydropower plant for 400 megawatt. Status under development, facing delays, no significant progress. Tawa project location Narmadapuram district on the Tawa river, Narmada tributary. Construction started in 1959, completed in 1978. Rani Avantibai Lodi Sagar Bargi Dam project. Location Jabalpur district on Narmada river. Purpose irrigation, hydropower and drinking water supply. Dam specification: height nearly 70 meters, length nearly 5.4 kilometers. Hydropower 100 megawatt operational. Irrigation benefit Jabalpur and surrounding district. Location Jeerabad village, Dhar district on Man River, Narmada's tributaries. Irrigation operational since 2006 to 7. Jobat project Shahid Chandrasekhar Azad Sagar. Location Chaskal village, Alirajpur district on the Hathni River's Narmada tributary. Control command located in Dhar district. Sukta project. Location Khandwa district on Sukta river, Narmada tributary. Construction started in 1973, completed in 1984. Dam known as Bhagwan Sagar Dam on Earthen Dam. Lower Goi project Shahid Bhima Nayak project. Location Panchkula village, Badwani district on Goi river, Narmada tributary. Sardar Sarovar project. Location Kevadia, Gujarat, Narmada district on Narmada river. Foundation laid by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1961. Purpose interstate project benefiting Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Dam specification: height 138.6 meter, length 1210 meter. Hydropower 2 powerhouses. Riverbed powerhouse 1200 megawatt. Canal head powerhouse 250 megawatt. Total capacity 1450 megawatt as per Sardar Sarovar Dam website. MOEFCC 2022 to 23 report mentions 1540 megawatt discrepancy noted. Power sharing Madhya Pradesh 57%, Maharashtra 27%, Gujarat 16%. Associated landmark Statue of Unity dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, located at Sadhu Bet, 3.2 km from the dam. World's tallest statue, 182 meter, 597 feet. Inaugurated by Narendra Modi on 31st this October 2018. Designed by Ram Sudar. Other Narmada Basin project. Kolar project. Location Savakedi village, Sihor district on the Kolar river, Narmada territory. Purpose irrigation and drinking water supply for Bhopal. Halon project. Location Mandla district on the Halon river, Narmada tributary. Status under construction. No recent completion data available. Matiari Dam project in Mandla district on the Matiari River's Narmada tributaries. Dam specification: length 1131 meter, height 228.1 meter. Canals: 2 main canal for irrigation. Barna Valley project. Location Badi village, Raisen district on Barna river, Narmada tributary. Irrigation benefits Raisen and Sihor district. Chambal Valley project. Overview: a joint project of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan on the Chambal river, a tributary of Yamuna. Foundation led by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1953 to 54. Phase first, Gandhi Sagar Dam. Phase 2 Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. Phase 3 Jawahar Sagar Dam. Additional Kota Barrage. Gandhi Sagar Dam location Bhanpura in Mandsaur district of Madhya Pradesh on Chambal River. Foundation laid on 7 March 1954, completed in 1960. Dam specification: height 64 meter, length 514 meter. Hydro power 115 megawatt, shared equally 50:50 between Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam location Rawat Bhata, Chittorgarh district of Rajasthan. Dam specification: height 54 meter, length 1130 meter. Hydropower 172 megawatt, shared equally 50:50. Irrigation benefit Rajasthan. Jawahar Sagar Dam location Kota district Rajasthan. Hydropower 99 megawatt, shared equally 50:50. Kota Barrage location Kota Rajasthan. Irrigation through canals in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Other river valley project in Madhya Pradesh: Rajghat project, Rani Lakshmibai project. Location near Chanderi on Betwa river at the border of Soknagar MP and Lalitpur UP. Foundation led by Indira Gandhi in 1971. Purpose: joint project of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh for irrigation and hydropower. Hydropower 45 megawatt. Irrigation benefit Guna, Ashoknagar, Shivpuri, Datia, Gwalior, Bhind and Tikamgarh district. Band Sagar project location developed Shahdol district on Son river. Purpose: joint irrigation project of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Inauguration by Morarji Desai. Hydropower 435 megawatt. Name origin: named after Bar Bhatt. Halali project Samrat Ashok Sagar project. Location Khoba village, Vidisha Raisen border on Halali river, Betwa tributary. Purpose: irrigation for Vidisha and Raisen district. Trivia: Halali river is called the river of slaughter. Sindh project. Location Shivpuri district on the Sindh river. Dam Madikhera Dam, length 1072 meter. Irrigation benefits Shivpuri, Gwalior, Datia and Chhatarpur district. Mahi project. Location Dhar Jhabua district on Mahi river. Dams: main dams on Mahi rivers, auxiliary dam on Ramkheda Nala. Purpose: irrigation and water supply. Alias also known as Mulai Sagar project. Bajaj Sagar project. Location on the Mahi rivers, a joint project of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Upper Vainganga project, Sanjay Sarabur Dam. Location Sivani district on the Vainganga river, Godavari tributary. Dam also called Bhimagar Dam, one of the largest earthen dam. Specification: length 3671 meter, height 42.67 meter. Storage capacity 507 million cubic meter. Purpose: irrigation for Sivani district. Babuntadi project, Rajiv Sagar Dam. Location Kudwa village, Balaghat district, MP and Bhandara district, Maharashtra on the Babantadi river, Vainganga tributary. Purpose: joint irrigation project of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Tanwar irrigation project. Location Julpur village, Mandala district on Tanwar river, Banjar tributary. Purpose: irrigation for Mandala district, Pench river. Location Machagora village in Chindwara district on the Pench river, Kanhan tributary. Purpose: irrigation for Chindwara and Sivani. Here is revision note. Narmada Valley projects. Lifeline of Madhya Pradesh focused on irrigation nearly 28 lakh hectare and hydropower nearly 3000 megawatt. Includes 29 large, 135 medium and 3000 small dams. Institutional setup. Narmada Valley Development Department established in 1985 Bhopal. Narmada Valley Development Authority NVDA established in 1995 Bhopal. Narmada Control Authority NCA established in 1980. Indore Interstate Body MP, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. Narmada Water Dispute Tribunal and WDT established in 6 October 1969. MP government claims 1968. Claimed by Justice B. Ramaswamy decision in 1979. Water allocation MP 18.25 MAF, Gujarat 9 MAF, Rajasthan 0.5 MAF, Maharashtra 0.25 MAF. Major project. Indira Sagar Punasa Khandwa Foundation 984 1000 megawatt Hanuvantya. Highland Jal Mahotsav. Omkareshwar Mandhata Khandwa founded in 2003 520 megawatt. Floating solar plant 600 megawatt ongoing 2025. Maheshwar Khargon 400 megawatt proposed delayed. Tava Narmadapuram 1959 to 1978 irrigates 2.4 lakh hectare. Rani Avantibai Vargi Jabalpur 100 megawatt. Jovat Sahit Chandrasekhar Azad Alirajpur Hathini River. Sukta Bhagwant Sagar Khandwa Earth and Dam. Sardar Sarovar Kevadia Gujarat Foundation 1961 1450 megawatt. 57% MB. Statue of Unity 182 meter 2018. Other Narmada Basin project Kolar, Sihor, Bhopal water supply. Barna Raisen irrigates Raisen Sihor. Chambal Valley project overview joint MP Rajasthan project foundation 1953-54 by Jawaharlal Nehru. Gandhi Sagar Mandsaur 1960 115 megawatt 50 raised to 50 MP Rajasthan. Rana Pratap Sagar Chittorgarh Rajasthan 172 megawatt 50-50. Jawahar Sagar Kota Rajasthan irrigation. Other rivers project Rajghat Rani Lakshmibai Ashoknagar Lalitpur MP UP joint Betwa river 45 megawatt. Mansagar Sadol Son river MP UP Bihar joint 435 megawatt. Named after Banvat. Halali Samrat Ashok Sagar Vidisha Raisen border Halali river Betwa tributary. River of slaughter Sindh. Shivpuri Madikhera dam. Upper Venganga Sanjay Sarovar Shivani Vimgar dam. Largest earthen dam. Babanthadi Rajiv Sagar Balaghat Maharashtra joined Babanthadi river. So this is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that this kind of video keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.